Do you know that with ChatGPT, do you know that you can do many things? In this video now, I'm going to guide you on how to create an application with ChatGPT. And the application I want to create is Calculator app. Do you know Calculator on your phone is also an app that was created by someone? So now I'm going to give you the tips, the guide, how you're going to work out through all this process using ChatGPT. So without that being said, so now you're going to give a command to ChatGPT, a kind of uh like help me. Example, you can write like write write the full HTML, put it in capital letters, like HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, JavaScript, script. Okay, write a full HTML, CSS, JavaScript for cal calculator, calculator. Sorry, it's supposed to be C. Calculator up with with all the all its features. So you write like that, and all its features, and write all the codes to in place, like in place. So like that's just this prompt, and you send a message. So let's see. Say hi. So here's a simple full functionality, a functional calculator hub with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and combined in one file. This version includes all the basic features such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, clearing the display, and handling decimal numbers. So a kind of the instructions we give. So I'm just now explaining explanation of the features, the structure, and okay, is given how it's was able to analyze all this, how it was able to write all the code for. So this is the code. So I'm going to guide you. So like this, copy the code. Now I'm going to show you where we're going to see the real results. If we are fine by it, if it's okay by us, we now go ahead and create a new hub with this code. But first of all, I use this codepen.io to kind of know this platform is used to you can see the real handwork of your HTML code and CSS and JavaScript, that's JS. So yes, since I have put all the code in one place, so I'm going to use all in here. So if it were to be, I uses a different really the HTML and the CSS and JavaScript, then I will use the three different methods. So now here I'm going to put the code and it's going to, so this is how our calculator look like. So let's stand. It's not okay. It's good. It's not can't blame you. And that's why it's not working. Look. So, and here, one, two, okay, now go to the one set, mute, this notes. Okay, this notes, this notes, this note, let's see. So it says want to fix. Okay, let's test it now. Let's see. Okay, going out with this one. It's a report. Now let's see. Okay, so okay, so what is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now cast the okay, okay, so okay, 5, minus 5, okay, 5 minus 6, minus 1, correct, 5 plus 5. Okay, so I can go and see what's happening. Is no, it's not working, so I think I'm giving a comma. Yeah, go around this way. Mm, but fine, but the 0 that is not working. Is make all all the mm, things all the things on issue and function and call it as function. So we wait, still writing again, and make sure the 0 button is so okay. No consider quantity check. Then it's going to be again for us. Okay, so we want everything. I think that's good. Everything is working. So you can see. Okay, so this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. You can see the calculator is working fine. So now I blink a little bit divided by 2. The answer is 4, 8, minus 2 is 16. Sorry, 8 minus 2, 16. Okay, 8 minus 4, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10. So you see the calculator is working fine now. So now let me take you to, now you have the code, and I want to take you to where you can uh, make use of this code and use it as an app. You download and install it on your phone to work now. Let me go here. Okay, so confirm. Okay, now on this, I'm going to also teach you this how to create a website without no knowledge of the coding, though you need some ideas, but no problem with me. I think you're going to learn a lot. So here I go on tab creator 24, and here you can make use of this code here. So you log into your your account. I have taught you how to use this, how to log in get started. So if you don't know, always ask questions and I'll give you update on all of this. So you see, if you have the account once you log in, this is what it's going to show you. If you don't have anything, this box in here, the tab will be up here. So you just click on it and then it will just see something like this. So yeah, basic calculator app, let's just call it calculator app. I don't want to put app, I just put on the calculator. So here is the description. So I will also say calculator. Now we will just clean up the because why you need to put this description by the time your app is live or anybody will want to download automatically from your link here is going to see this description. So it's better you type a good something. So, but if you are not going to make use of this, you can publish this on any app store and you can, once your application is approved, you start making money from it. And that is it. So here you keep the application logo. So if you have one which you have created, fine. If you don't have, check here if you don't need anything. I think this also can work for us for calculator hub. Yes. So here you can next. So here you don't need much anything here because once we continue, you have an ability to do the same thing. What is there for the settings? So here, here you can also do some we can have chat, social media, and all of that here in the web and all that and the rest. So, but for me, I have my code where I want to make use of like to go. Okay, so from here, since we have the code where we want to create our calculator, you can the sections and from here to so now the code, we converted all the code into HTML code, the HTML code and the CSS and the JavaScript in one place. So we can make use of this HTML. So here we move. So this is not set users name code ID to now I prepare and enter directly in code advanced. So and most of the times you can use this one too, but I actually normally use this entire I have never used this before, so I can teach you what I have been using and what has been working for me. So you click and here we can map everything because we have our own code for editing. We have you see here we have our code with the thing, the HTML code hide everything so we don't take code from the so here you can see calculator up. Okay, so from here we will save. Now we have done. Now remain for us to see the live application. And from this application now I have to switch to my phone to download on my phone and I will send it. I'll attach the video here and we'll see how it's working. Okay, after the creation, that means for you to start making money. So now that it's created, I will show you here and then I will add uh, how it's working because I need to download the app and show you the result from my phone and I will attach that to this video as well. Okay, so this is where you can start making money. So, but first of all, you need to do the setup and send your app to. I will guide you everything. You know, I have actually taught how to monetize with Unity Hub. Unity Hub doesn't need much more process, so I have done that. Don't probably learn go to the hub creation. Let's see how the hub looks like. Okay,